Hey boo, how are you guys? Today I'm coming with the video of the dupe of the dior bag. I want to show you guys what all fits inside. So here it is. Oh my god, I've been loving this bag. It is so beautiful. So right here I just have my Paris charm hanging down. I have this beautiful chain, and I'll let you guys know how I have it hanging down because I changed the strap on the bag because I really didn't like it. So let me just show you guys. Here's an overview of what's all inside. This bag is really small, so let me show you the chain. This is the chain that I put on because I didn't like I didn't like the purse strap that it came with, so I just added a chain to it and put this in here. So here it is, very long. My shoulder strap, it fits really well. It's comfortable. So let's get inside the bag and show you all my goodies, how I've been carrying it. So I have my 4-ring key holder by Louis Vuitton, and I think this color matches so well with the bag. It reminds me of the Neverfull with the rose pink inside, so I thought that would match really good. And I have tissues because I had the sniffles lately. Hopefully I'm not catching a cold. And then down in here I have my Chanel hand cream, and then I have my mini pochette in damier band as well. And then here, you guys know the usual. So all that fits inside the bag. And then in this pocket right here, I have my key clay from Louis Vuitton as well. You guys know this has all my cards. And then I have my Chanel card holder that I've been wearing with this. And then I have a Louis Vuitton perfume sample. You guys know I have so many Louis Vuitton perfume samples. So I just carry them with me. So you're carrying a large or a regular size sample with me, I just carry this and spray it on me because I have so many. So, and then in this little pocket right here, I have my round coin purse. I do not go anywhere without this, you guys already know. Then I have my Chanel lip balm, and this, I use so much of it already. I gotta get a new one. I love this. This works so well. And this is a model and the color, and it is empty. So this is how I've been carrying it. I love this bag, and it holds, you know, pretty much all of this in there. It's just, you know, you don't have to overpack it. It wasn't stuffed or anything. I really like it. So don't forget that we have the giveaway coming, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching and subscribing, and I appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.